The main differences between FTP and FSS code. The FTP code applies to products and materials used in ship construction, whereas the FSS code applies to the operational standards of fire safety systems that include firefighting and fire detection systems on ships. For your information, the full form of FTP code is International Code for the Application of Fire Test Procedures Code, and of FSS code is International Code for Fire Safety Systems, FSS code. Now, let us see the details of each code. FTP Code. Purpose. The FTP Code provides the international requirements for laboratory testing, type approval, and fire test procedures for products referenced under SOLAS Chapter II-2. It includes tests for non-combustibility, smoke and toxicity, surface flammability, and fire-resisting divisions, among others. The FTP code ensures that materials and components used in ship construction meet specific fire safety standards before they are approved for use. FSS Code. Purpose. The FSS code sets out mandatory fire safety standards for ships, including the installation and maintenance of fire protection systems. It covers fixed fire detection and fire alarm systems, fire extinguishing systems, and other fire safety measures. The FSS code ensures that ships are equipped with appropriate fire safety systems and that these systems are maintained in good working order.